Traffic for network 5.5.5.0/24 from the admin PC is traversing the path via router 2. It should be traversing the path via router 5. Implement a solution to ensure traffic flows via router 5. As you can see, there are several constraints on possible solutions. Log into the admin PC. Run a trace route to the IP 5.5.5.5. The path taken is indeed through router 2. Traffic from the admin PC must traverse router 3, so that is the logical next device to check. It is making the decision to send the traffic for 5.5.5.0/24 towards router 2. Now view the database. There are two LSAs for the 5.5.5.0/24 network. One from router 2 and one from router 5. Check out the details. These are external E2 routes. Router 2 and router 5 are redistributing from EIGRP. The LSA from router 2 has a metric of 10, while the one from router 5 has a metric of 20. We could modify the metric, but that would go against the constraints. Recall that the external LSAs come in two types. There are E2, which are the default, and there is also the external type 1, E1. When making path selection decisions, an E1 LSA is preferred over an E2. Changing the metric type would be a valid solution. On router 5, under the OSPF process, add metric type 1 at the end of the redistribution statement. Check the external LSA details again. The LSA from router 5 is a type 1. Check the route table. Router 3 now has the path via router 5. Return to admin and run the trace route.